Hello and welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Travels. In a previous video I showed you my hometown, Hythe. Today we're heading just a few miles along the coast to Folkestone in Kent, the town where I spent my school years. Perfectly positioned as a gateway to Europe, it has the Channel Tunnel on its doorstep and high-speed rail to central London. It's a place full of memories for me, and today I'll share some of my favourite spots in Folkestone. We begin on the Leas, Folkestone's cliff-top promenade on the west side of town. I love the grand buildings here. In fact, I used to be the resident pianist at the Grand here some years ago. The Leas developed in the Victorian and Edwardian eras as Folkestone became a fashionable resort, with landmarks like the Leas Cliff Hall opening in 1927. It's perfect for a stroll when the weather's fair, and today it's ideal for flying my drone. If you've seen my videos before, you'll know that all the music is my own, from piano improvisations to orchestral pieces. Next we're in another picturesque part of town, the Bayle. This historic area has been at the heart of Folkestone for centuries, and the British Lion, with its Union Jack bunting, couldn't be a more quintessentially British pub. Round the corner is St Mary and St Eanswyth's Church. Part of the building date back to the 12th century, and it contains the relics of St Eanswyth, a 7th century Anglo-Saxon princess-turned-saint. Cutting through the churchyard, we're now headed to another favourite area of mine, the old High Street and Folkestone's creative quarter. Folkestone has made a big effort in recent years to reinvent itself as a creative hub, and this is most visible in the creative quarter. The narrow streets are lined with restored buildings that now house studios, galleries, shops and cafes. It's full of colour, art and quirky details. We're now making our way towards the Folkestone Harbour. On a sunny day like today, it's a great place to come with the family, where children can cool off running through the fountains, and adults can enjoy a drink and some local seafood. I have nice memories of coming here with my dad as a boy, buying prawns and pots of whelk and cockles. For a well-deserved drink, I head to the Harbour arm. You can still see the old railway lines here. This was once where trains from London connected to ferries bound for France. The station closed in 2009, and the area has since been transformed into a promenade with food stalls, bars and regular events. And on this hot August day, I think it's finally time to cool off with a cold pint of lager. Cheers! The Harbour Arm is also a great spot for families, with entertainment for children and adults throughout the summer. And that brings us to the end of my short but hopefully sweet tour of Folkestone. If you enjoy my work and my music, please like and subscribe and leave any comments that you have. Thanks for watching.